Are you looking for ways to grow your YouTube channel? Here are 3 tips to use to grow your YouTube channel. Number 1, get noticed more with shorts. You can reach a wider audience by sharing your shorts videos. Okay, so create those short videos. Whether you just woke up in the morning and you're brushing your teeth and an idea pops to your mind, get your camera out. Your phone. It's easy. Get your phone out, record. Any idea that comes to your head, record. Okay, if you're someone that you cook while you're making your breakfast, record. Keep it short and sweet and choose trending music only. The next way is to build your following by doing collaborations. So you can collaborate with other creators, connect with new fans from those creators, and also, especially if you have different but actually complementary interests, if your interests are the same or quite similar. For example, if you're someone that you love to cook, you can team up with someone that is into gardening and you guys can come together and combine that. So many ideas out there. Another thing that you can do is go into your analytics. Yes, dig into your analytics, expand your analytics. There's an expanded analytics report section. You can go in there, expand your analytics, see what videos and topics are most engaging on your channel, and do more of that. Very easy. Okay, so you can test and see what's working, test and see what's not working. But overall, with all these tips, I don't want you guys to miss out on being authentic, be your true self. And if people are gonna love you, they're gonna love you. Don't stress over it. Just do your best at all times. So I hope this has helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.